Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day. Right, before you can start PHP, I would suggest you to go to tools that you need in order to make sure your PHP programming can be run. Okay, go to Apache Friends website. Okay, actually it's referred to how to install XAMPP. Okay, some of you may already know, but some of you may don't have any idea what is Apache Friends. So you need to go to this website, apachefriends.org, and it give you to index.html. In here you have Apache, XAMPP Apache. You also have Maria database.php, Perl, and so on. Right. So what you need to do is to download which XAMPP you suit for. Okay. Or maybe you can go for another one that called Mum. Okay, Mum is another website for you to use. Okay, let's say Mum and Mum Pro. In this case, you need to download Mum, and you're able to free download Mum. It's a local web developer solutions. You can use them for Windows or maybe for Mac, right? So in this case, okay. In my case, because cannot use XAMPP, I don't want to use XAMPP. Actually, I already use Mum. It's almost the same. This is Mum that has been installed in my computer, and I can configure them preferences, and also I already have my SQL server. At the same time, when I install Mum, I'm not using Pro version, I'm using free version, Apache server. I already have all of tools that need for web programming. I open the the starting page. I can see my front page here that called localhost. If you're unable to open localhost, it means that your server is not ready yet. So it must start with localhost. Let's say I delete localhost, I can see my localhost. This is the folder that I put in my computers before I can use them to part the programming of PHP. See this PHP, where is my PHP notes? Okay, where is it? PHP intro, okay? This is the tutorial that I already set it for you. Let's say lesson 1 to lesson 9. So from here, how to get all this code, you have to download from lecture notes, archive.php raw. Okay, you download this from our Google Drive, and this is the lecture notes of PHP that reflects to what is the lecture notes. You see, and then of course you can see all the code has been put it together with the Google Drive for you to test. Okay, that's all. Before you can start, you have to understand two things. Download from Google Drive. This is the Google Drive. Another one, you have to install XAMPP, Mum, or other than third-party option for you to learn PHP easier. All right? Thank you so much.